Sending money abroad can be tricky, but the Wise platform makes it simple, fast, and cost-effective. Whether you are paying for tuition, sending money to family, or managing freelance payments, Wise allows you to transfer funds with transparency and near real-time tracking. The key feature is its mid-market exchange rate, which ensures you are not losing money on hidden bank markups. To start, open a Wise account online or via the app. Enter the recipient's details, the amount, and choose the currency. Wise calculates the exact fees upfront, so no surprises. Your money can reach Europe in as fast as one business day, depending on the currency and payment method. Here are 6 tricks and offers to maximize your experience. First up, batch transfers for businesses. You can send multiple payments in one go, saving time and reducing fees per transaction. With smart currency conversion, you can, set up alerts to convert your money when exchange rates hit your desired level. This way, you avoid unnecessary losses and make the most of your transfers. The Wise debit card gives you a real advantage. You can spend your money in Europe directly with your Wise card, easily bypassing those pesky ATM and conversion charges. And here's something cool. You can invite friends to Wise and earn a referral bonus instantly when they complete their first transfer. It's a simple way to share the benefits and get rewarded at the same time. With recurring payments, you can, automate your monthly expenses like rent or subscriptions in Europe without needing to repeat those manual transfers every time. The hidden fee dashboard lets you check Wise's fee breakdown, so you can actually spot micro savings tips, especially if you're making high volume or regular transfers. Wise also supports local European accounts in several currencies, including Euro, Pound Sterling, Swiss franc, and more. You can link your Wise account to your online bank, making fund movement super seamless. Plus, Wise ensures regulatory compliance across Europe, so it's secure for both personal and business payments.